Network, network, network. In order to make connections, in order to get your next job, you need to network. You've probably heard this message over and over again, but many of us have no idea what that actually means. In fact, network actually feels really scary to a lot of people because they don't know how to go about doing it. They know that they need to expand their network, but they think that just increasing the number of connections they have on LinkedIn is how it's done. Well, that's not really true. An effective network is only as effective as the relationships that you build. Networking is simply that. It's building new connections and relationships. And so you can increase your connections here on LinkedIn, and that's okay, that's great. But if you're not actually building relationships, then your approach to networking is not actually going to be helpful or effective, especially if you're on the job hunt or you're trying to make a job transition. But if you can actually work hard to build new relationships, connect with people in meaningful ways, find ways to help them, then they're much more likely to then want to connect with you and also help you through whatever process you need. So make sure when you're networking, don't forget that there's another person on the other end. Someone who has value, they have needs, and they have things that they care about. What can you bring to them in that relationship so that you're not just trying to get information or help from them? What can you bring to build a true relationship? And when you take that approach, it's a little bit of a mindset shift, then suddenly your networking approach will be much more effective. And you're going to find some new mentors and people that are going to bless your life because you're going to have new relationships that you didn't have before. My name is Jeff Perry. I'm the founder of More Than Engineering, and I'm a leadership and career coach for engineers and technologists. And if you're at a crossroads in your career, if you're out of a job or you're seeking to find a new job that is a better fit for you, or if you're trying to take the next step and gain the leadership skills that you feel like you really need to be successful, then I'd love to see how I can help. I have a number of programs that could be helpful to helping you develop the skills and the tactics and the mindsets that are the foundation of everything we do so that you can be successful. So reach out to me, and I'd love to see how I can help.